Welcome back to Quantum Lab. I am JosephStute. Today is a great day. My first videos were posted with little expectation of attracting viewers. Never dreamed YouTube would send me the Video Creators Play Button Award for 100,000 subscribers. Time to open the box. Many thanks to my very talented digital content creator for all his help making my potentially boring experiments interesting. I like to think of his input as frosting on the cake. Many thanks to everyone that took time out to subscribe. I am gratified that my message, you do not need a lab full of expensive equipment to have fun learning about light, was enjoyed by so many. Thank you.